Hello everyone, Faizan from dataSights. To start with Excel Online, inside the connector, search for Excel Online and add new entity. Give your entity any name, let's say demo. And this is an optional email address in case of error, you'll get notification. If you want to add, you can add. And click save. Now you need to connect with your account. So connect. As I'm already logged in with my Microsoft account, so I am connected. Okay, and let's say this is X, and you need to add that. So currently you don't have any file added. You can simply click on Add New Excel and give your Excel a name. Mine is uh, demo file and URL. Just go ahead and copy the URL. This will work. Yeah, and give the sheet name. So in this case, test sheet is the name. So test sheet. If you want to start with from a particular row number, so you can give that row number. But I just want to start from the beginning, and I have header. So has header and the table name to save to. Let's say table or demo table, and you need to configure the columns here. So we have 5 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh, you can give any name to the column. First is the text one, and second is date decimal number. So this is at position 1. Text is fine. Date 1. And position is B. This position is very important. Okay, and so date time. The format of the date time is currently DMYYY. So D slash M slash YYY. Okay, so and likewise you can configure decimal, integer, and boolean too. Now, it's not mandatory to configure all of them, so that's fine. And you can say save. That's it. This is now configured. You can just edit these information if you want. So all good. That's all. Thank you.